Hey guys, so we have here Mahindra's all new machine, the baby XUV 300. This machine will give Maruti Suzuki a run for the money. It is available in 4 variants with 2 engine and 8 color options. Currently we have the top of the line petrol variant that is W8 optional in blue. As you can see, the wheels look big enough thanks to the 17-inch alloy wheels and the big wheel arches. Its overall width of 1821mm makes it the widest model in this segment. This new SUV has a wheelbase of 2600mm. From the side, the car looks funky thanks to the floating roof appearance. It has LED combination tail lamps. The boot space on offer will be 265 liters, which isn't great but is adequate for a compact SUV. Mahindra has provided us with 60-40 split, and you can increase the boot space by lowering the seats. Getting inside and out of the rear seat is very easy. Door pockets are massive. You can actually put a 1 liter bottle in it. You can see the magazine holder, which does not match my expectations. Rear seat does come with an armrest and it has twin cup holder. All the 3 seats do get adjustable headrest, but the under thigh support is lacking. It feels like a solid built car with a premium dual tone interior. Quality is not bad, but it gets artificial leather seats. Let's move our attention to the glove box. It looks very deep. You can actually fit a laptop right inside it. The front center armrest gives you additional storage space. You can actually keep a tab inside it, which is a nice touch. There is an additional storage space right above the glove compartment where you can keep your wallets or mobile phone. Both the sun visors come with a mirror and auto dimming feature. We get a 7-inch infotainment touchscreen system. It also comes with 3D maps for navigation. It also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Driving modes can be set into 3 categories: comfort for driving and parking, sporty for high speed, and the normal mode. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour takes about 12 seconds. Braking from 100 to 0 seconds takes about 5 seconds. XUV 300 is the only car in the segment which features disc brake on all 4 wheels. With the aggressive pricing of XUV 300, Mahindra might just disrupt the segment. XUV 300 as compared to its rival may be priced higher than Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Tata Nexon, Ford EcoSport. Is it worth putting your money? It is a definite yes. We give XUV 300 4 out of 5. And it is definitely a buying option. To know more about the best deals on test drive, car buying, financing and insurance, visit us at mynewcar.in.